Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Measure 1 cup rice and 1/2 cup split yellow moong dal. Rinse rice and dal together until water runs clear, then soak for 15 minutes while you prep aromatics. Use 3 tablespoons ghee and 1 teaspoon turmeric for flavor and color. Also gather 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, and 2 green chilies slit lengthwise. Prepare 4 cups water and a pinch of salt, plus 1 tablespoon butter for finishing and fresh cilantro for garnish. Heat 2 tablespoons ghee in a heavy-bottomed pan and temper with 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 2 dried red chilies until aromatic, about 30 seconds. Add a bay leaf and the slit green chilies, then add rice and dal. Sauté for 2 minutes to coat grains with ghee and toast lightly. Pour 4 cups water, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer covered 12-15 minutes until the rice and dal are soft and most water is absorbed. Check at 12 minutes for texture. Once grains are soft and the mixture is creamy, stir in 1 tablespoon butter and adjust salt to taste. This adds richness and balances flavors. If you like a looser texture, add up to 1/2 cup hot water and reheat briefly. For thicker khichdi, mash lightly with the back of a spoon. Let khichdi rest covered 5 minutes before serving to set texture. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a drizzle of ghee or 1 teaspoon lemon juice for brightness, and serve hot with yogurt or pickles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.